Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Hina from Department of Information Management. As we all know that misleading information can cause serious crisis in society. These days, coronavirus related misinformation is going viral and we should seriously think before sharing such information to others. This type of information can be a fake accuse, can be a bad advice, or can be a copy-pasted information. For example, some advices on social media groups are misleading, such as sunlight can decrease the effect of this virus, and taking sips of warm water can also reduce the effect of coronavirus. However, there is no scientific base for these claims. Similarly, some people claim that they have prepared coronavirus vaccine. However, we all know that it takes 12 to 18 months in doing so. So much so, such messages read, black skin is also resistant to this virus. One of the coronavirus spread misleading map become viral on social media and so on. Viewers, such all stories are misleading. Please be skeptical about the shared information. Here, I am going to tell you some of the very authentic websites you should consult before believing on any information and forwarding to others. So number one is WHO or World Health Organization website. Here you could see that this website provides quick links. For example, you can have a scam alert. You can have advice for the public. If I click this quick links, here you could see that there is public advice tab. You can have a public advice information over there. You can have a country and technical guidance. Then you can also ask some of the questions through WhatsApp. You can send them the question and they will answer you through their WhatsApp. Google has launched one of the web page which is having authentic websites links. For example, if you wanted to have health information, here is a link. Google has provided all the authentic links related to health information in this tab. Then there is a tab of safety and prevention tips. This is also one of the authentic sources to have information on safety and prevention. Then Google has also provided some of the resources related to individuals, educators, and businessmen and researchers as well. There is data and insights. If you wanted to have data of a country or world data, you can also click this link to have relevant links. Some of the famous publishers also launched their web pages related to coronavirus information. For example, Elsewhere, which is one of the very famous publisher, launched this Novel Coronavirus Information Center. Here you could see there are the links related to public health, then there is the clinical information for the doctors, and there is a patient resources as well. If I click to the patient resources, you can see there are many links to webinars which are going on internet. There are podcasts which are related to COVID-19. So you can have authentic information on this website as well. Another website which is launched at national level is covid.gov.pk. Here you could have a chat with the experts. There are some of the guidelines related to this virus. Then the prevention tips are also here. One of the important tab is facilities tab. You can see that there is a tab which tells you that which hospitals are providing you isolation wards. There are also information related to quarantine facilities. Then where are the testing facilities in Pakistan? You can also have this kind of information over here. Then you can also have Pakistan case related details here and international cases details over here as well. Some of the universities are also doing good in incorporating and maintaining updated pages related to coronavirus. For example, Aga Khan University launched COVID-19 updates page. Here you could see there is information related for patients. Then there is a journal information for the public health related to coronavirus. For the healthcare professionals, they have also provided the link. Then they have also provided some of the links related to faculty and staff. They have also provided the helpline which you can call and get the updated information. You can also find here what should you know about COVID-19, how should you protect yourself and others from getting infected with COVID-19, what should you do if you feel sick with COVID-19, how can you get screened for COVID-19, and the other related information related to this disease. I hope you will consult authentic websites before sharing any information with others. Stay safe, stay at home. Thank you.